everybody, this is Kathy again with katzelcreate, and I am coming on with my, well, I just did the 8th entry for my challenge giveaway. So this one is coming from Maria Barano, and she is here on YouTube. She is Maria Miscellany, and I will link her channel down in the description below so you can check her out. She is awesome. She does a lot of junk journaling. She's been doing a few auctions of her stuff that she has. She is really awesome. I love what she's putting out. So check her out. Anyway, so this is from her. This is the 8th entry, it said. Yeah, I did it. 6, yeah, 8. Oh my gosh, I'm lost. Let me see. I have my little list. 6, 7, 8. Yeah, this is my 8th one. Sorry, you guys. I'm lost. So I didn't want to show her address. So I'm going to go ahead and open it right here. The opening. Look at this. I love this. Look at it. It's like circle scallop. So let's go ahead and see. Oh, I love the purple. It's so bright. Aw, congratulations on your 1-year YouTube anniversary. I hope you love this goodies. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. I just love this. Oh my gosh. Anyways, let me see if there's anything else in here. Okay. So she wrapped it up so beautiful. Oh my goodness. There you go. And oh, so beautiful. I like the ribbon. And I can always reuse this. So crafters always reuse everything. Yay. And here's, let me just make sure I'm not showing. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at how beautiful, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, I wish you guys could see the whole thing. Let me lift up my tablet. See, oh my gosh, this is fun. This is so beautiful. This is like a pocket envelope. I will take a picture of it once I am done, but I just wanted you guys to see. Oh my goodness. Sorry. There you go. And this, she just dresses, or not just dresses, but she does a lot of, I want to say decoupage. She does a lot of decoupaging, and I think this is what she did right here. I think that's a napkin. She does decoupaging on her napkins, her magazines. She does really awesome work. She really does. Look at, oh my goodness. Oh, I wish I had like one of those higher camera things. Look at, it's just so beautiful. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. Let's see. So she has some, sorry you guys, maybe I should show my camera again. Some paper clips, and oh, look at these, look at. And then she has these little pearls. I want to say these are Tim Holtz, but I do not know. And then just some cards, and I believe those are all just the little cards hanging on here. Oh my goodness. I should have had a different setup. And look at how simple. This is just a piece of paper folded, and all she did was put a sticker, or I want to say a sticker or a die cut, and there you go. All you do is just, oops, I'm trying to close it back in here, and you just close it on there, and she just put a paper clip. That is so simple. That's so easy and simple. Encourage you, a lot of you guys, to do that, something similar to that. And oh my gosh, where do I find her memory decks? So look at, oh my goodness. Maybe I need to lift this up. Hold on, you guys. Oh, hopefully this works. I need to get me a tripod. So anyways, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is way better. So let's go ahead and see. Oh, do you pull this out? Can I pull stuff out? Oh my gosh, look at. I've personally I have not seen, let's look at the paper clip. Oh my gosh, she puts so much detail in her items. Let me go ahead and see. And personally, I have not seen this myself. I've seen it here on videos and everything, but never seen the actual stitching. So this is awesome. She did a whole bunch of die cuts, and all she did was just sew them on here. Look at so much detail into this. Oh my gosh, I have a sewing machine. I was using it past a year and a half, like about a year and a half ago, and that's all I was doing, sewing. And now that I'm doing paper crafting, I've left the sewing behind and haven't done that. Which, oh, look at this. Look at how beautiful. And oh my goodness. Oh, look at these. These are so nice. I'm hoping I'm recording this. Okay, making sure I'm recording. I don't want to think I'm recording and I'm not recording. Look at these. Oh, there you go. Wow. Wow. So beautiful. And look at the detail on. I wish you guys could see the actual detail. And this looks like, yep, it's a manila envelope. And she just, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I really want to try that out, but oh my gosh, I want to try everything out, and I don't have enough room in this house. Oh my gosh, this is her memory decks. Look it. I think, yeah, let me check. Yeah. Oh wow. Look at how she put a lot of stuff in here. It's just different stickers, ephemera, the butterfly, flower rosette, and it looks like this must have been a sticker or something, and then she put the flower on top. There's another sticker, or she probably decoupaged it on there. Piece of ribbon. Look at the detail on this, and she put some bling on there, and then she did the, let me go ahead and pull it out. This is created especially for you, and I'm pretty sure it probably opens. I'm thinking. Let me see. Does it open? Oh, it's okay. And then she put this little like an eyelash trim kind of up here. This is really, really beautiful. It's really creative. Wow, there's so much detail into it. Oh, she sent me some ribbon. Oh, look at that. Look at the coffee mug. And oh my gosh, I have none of this, so this is going to be so useful. Thank you, Maria. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my gosh, more ribbon. Oh, yay. So I can start doing some tassels. Look at this. And then, oh my gosh, she put some eyelash trim on here. This is a different... Oh, these are the bag toppers. Oh, good thing you wrote it in here. I would have thought it was just the holder for the trim. Oh my goodness, let's see. Ah. Oh, how did she do it? Oh, there you go. Oh, I love this trim. This is so beautiful. I wonder where she got it. Maria, do let me know where you got it at. I would love to know where you got it at. These are beautiful. Look at the bag toppers. See how simple and easy? That's all. You didn't even have to decorate them. Look at the colors. Oh my goodness, I love this. And then she scalloped this one. Look at this one. I love this. Ooh, the unicorns. Yay! And this one. This is so pretty. Oh wow. I would have not guessed it was the bag toppers. And she made this. Looks like she colored all this in. Unless it's part of the paper pad. But look at the detail to it. Look at, I don't know if that's a butterfly or a hummingbird. Look at how beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at. And it's just a regular pad. And I gotta learn how to make these. I have a lot of pads too, like these, and I bought them for the purpose of doing that, and I have not done it. Look at, she got send me some stamps. Yay! Another set of stamps. Yay! And then, wow, this is beautiful. Look at how easy and simple this is. Oh my gosh, did you color the birdie, or was it already colored? It is so beautiful. Look at this, you guys. And look at these. I have some of these. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at how pretty. This is a map. Look at this is. She loves collecting like vintagey items, and this looks like a vintagey map. That's what I want to say it is. I don't know if I'm right. And look at, she has part of a map here. And we're so used to giving away our old stuff. That's what I usually do. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. That's what I do, just basically donate all my stuff to, you know, the Goodwill Salvation Army. I wish I could, now that I'm seeing all this stuff and a lot of the YouTube creative, you know, people that do the junk journals and all that stuff, I'm like, oh man, should I hold on to it or not? But look at how beautiful. I love this paper. This is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look at the paper she used. I don't know, Maria, do you have how to make one of these? Because I did notice that she has sewn it in here. She probably used an owl, I want to say it's called, and she probably punched it right here, and she just strung the string in here, which is not that hard. Anybody could probably do that. And look at how beautiful the paper. I'm sorry, I don't know if I'm even in frame. I'm trying to look at it at the same time, like always. Look at this paper, how beautiful. This is really beautiful. I love it, Maria. Thank you. Thank you so much. And she did the sewing part right here too. And then look at this one. This is so pretty. So creative. You know, I would have not thought of doing anything like this. Like I said, all your guys' creativityness that you guys are sending me gives me more ideas. I have it on hand, and I'm gonna copy all of you guys' work. Look at this one. Look at this one. This is so cute. She just a piece of material, and she just sewed it on here and stuff that I would have not thought of doing. And I just want to show you guys, look at the detail. Look at. And all she did was, I believe all she did was fold a big manila envelope like this one right here. I want to say this is the size. I hope you guys could see it. And all she did was decoupaged it. I don't know if it's napkins or what it is. It's really, really beautiful. And then she did 1, 2, 3 pockets in here. 1, 2, 3 pockets. So that's a layer of 4. And she scalloped it here. I want to say she probably used scissors. And she did awesome. Thank you, Maria. I really, really love this. And anyways, guys, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully it wasn't too long. If it was, you know what? This is Maria's artwork, and I want to show you guys her work. She worked really hard on making this, and I love it. I love it. And thank you guys. We'll see you guys in our next video. I have more entries that just came in. I'm so happy. I honestly thought nobody was even going to enter my giveaway. So I really appreciate all of you guys. I know some of you guys couldn't enter, and that's fine. You know what? There's other times, and that's okay. And if you can't, you can't, because, you know, sometimes it's impossible to enter every giveaway. So, and I was just noticing this. Look at this. Sorry. This is so cute. I had not realized that this had this. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. We will see you guys on our next video. And you guys have an awesome day. Thank you.